Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to add an owner in Basecamp. Now, I know you might be thinking, why do I need to know this? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you're a new Basecamp user and you're not sure how to set up your account. Or maybe you're a team leader who wants to give someone else access to your team's projects. Either way, it's a good skill to have. So, let's get started. How to add an owner in Basecamp. Log in to your Basecamp account. Click on the Admin Land tab at the top of the screen. Click on the People and Permissions tab. Click on the Add, Remove Account Owners button. Type in the name of the person you want to add as an owner. Click on the Grant Account Owner Powers button. And that's it. You've just added a new owner to your Basecamp account. Why is it important to add an owner in Basecamp? There are a few reasons why you might want to add an owner in Basecamp. To give someone else access to your team's projects. If you're a team leader, you may want to give someone else access to your team's projects so that they can help you manage them. To back up your account. If you're the only owner of your Basecamp account, it's a good idea to add another owner so that they can have access to your account in case something happens to you. To transfer ownership of your account. If you're planning on selling your Basecamp account, you'll need to add another owner so that you can transfer ownership to them. Tips: you can only add a maximum of 5 owners to a Basecamp account. Owners can do everything that you can do in Basecamp, including creating and deleting projects, adding and removing members, and changing account settings. If you want to remove an owner from your Basecamp account, you can do so by clicking on the Revoke button next to their name. Adding an owner in Basecamp is a simple process that can be helpful in a number of situations. If you're looking to give someone else access to your team's projects, back up your account, or transfer ownership of your account, this is a great way to do it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep learning.